Hey, it's Rich from Battle-Tested Tech. If you're like most people, your computer is a huge part of your daily life, whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing the web. But nothing is more frustrating than when your once speedy PC starts to feel sluggish and unresponsive. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 5 most common warning signs that your PC is slowing down, and more importantly, I'll show you exactly what you can do to get things running smoothly again. If your computer feels slower than usual, you're not imagining things. Over time, even the best machines can start to lag, and it's usually a combination of small issues that add up. Maybe you've noticed it takes longer to open your favorite programs, or your web browser just isn't as snappy as it used to be. These are all signs that something's not quite right under the hood. Here are the 5 warning signs your PC is slowing down, and what you can do first to fix it. Let's dive in and see if any of these sound familiar. Sign number 1, your PC takes forever to start up. If you find yourself hitting the power button and then waiting and waiting just to get to your desktop, you're not alone. This is one of the most common complaints I hear. Often the culprit is a bunch of unnecessary programs that are set to launch automatically every time you boot up. These background apps can pile up over time, especially if you've installed a lot of software or haven't checked your startup settings in a while. The fix is simple. Open up Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus SC, then head to the Startup tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the programs that launch when your computer starts. Disable anything you don't need. Things like chat apps, game launchers, or cloud sync tools can all be turned off unless you use them every day. This one step alone can shave minutes off your boot time and make your PC feel much snappier right from the get-go. Sign number 2. Programs and apps that used to open instantly now take ages to load. Maybe it's your web browser, your email client, or even a simple word processor. If you're seeing spinning circles or loading bars more often, your storage drive could be the problem. Traditional hard drives slow down as they age, especially if they're nearly full or starting to fail. Even solid-state drives can lose performance if they're overloaded or have too many read-write cycles. To check your drive's health, download a free tool like Crystal Disk Info. It'll show you if your drive is in good shape or if it's time to consider an upgrade. If you're still using a mechanical hard drive, upgrading to an SSD is one of the best investments you can make. Not only will your PC boot faster, but every app will open in a fraction of the time. Plus, SSDs are more reliable and use less power, which is great for laptops. Sign number 3, your mouse freezes, apps become unresponsive, or you notice a lag when switching between programs. This is often a sign that your computer is running low on memory, or RAM. It can also happen if you have way too many browser tabs open at once. Each tab eats up a chunk of memory, and before you know it, your system is gasping for air. The quick fix? Close any tabs or apps you're not actively using. Open Task Manager again and check the Performance tab to see how much RAM is being used. If you're constantly maxing out your memory, it might be time to upgrade your RAM. Adding more memory is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to breathe new life into an older PC, especially if you multitask or use memory-hungry programs. Sign number 4. Your laptop feels like a space heater, or you hear the fan spinning up loudly even when you're not doing anything intensive. Excess heat is a major enemy of performance. When your computer gets too hot, it automatically slows itself down to prevent damage, a process called thermal throttling. This can make everything feel sluggish, from web browsing to gaming. To fix this, make sure your vents are clear of dust and debris. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any buildup, especially around the fans and heat sinks. If you use your laptop on a soft surface like a bed or couch, try moving it to a hard, flat surface or invest in a cooling pad. Keeping your system cool not only improves performance but also extends the life of your hardware. Sign number 5. You're seeing more pop-up errors, crashes, or strange messages than usual. These can be a sign of deeper software issues like corrupted files, outdated drivers, or even malware infections. Ignoring these warnings can lead to bigger problems down the road, including data loss or security risks. The first step is to run a full malware scan using a trusted tool like Malwarebytes. Make sure your operating system and all your drivers are up to date. Windows Update and your device manager are your friends here. If you keep seeing errors, consider running a system file check or even reinstalling Windows for a fresh start. It might sound drastic, but sometimes a clean slate is the best way to get rid of stubborn issues. If you noticed one or more of these signs, don't wait. Take action now before your PC gets worse. Regular maintenance like cleaning up your startup apps, checking your storage health, managing your memory, keeping things cool, and staying on top of software updates can keep your computer running smoothly for years to come. And remember, a little bit of prevention goes a long way when it comes to tech. Next, I'll show you some quick and easy fixes for those annoying Windows errors that waste your time, so hit subscribe and check out that video next. Thanks for watching, and let's get your PC back up to speed.
Like, subscribe and comment for more videos. Thanks for watching.